Blessed and happy Monday to all of you, my dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters, my dear good people of God, faithful followers of the Daily Gospel Reflection with Father Jack, my dear kababayans. Today is January 27, 2025, and today is Monday within the third week in Ordinary Time, Year C. Today's Gospel is from the beautiful and the wonderful account of the Gospel of Mark, chapter 3, verses 22 to 30. The Gospel for today is telling us of this message: be good, even if others are not, even if others will not, or even if others cannot. Nowadays, it is easy to judge, to criticize, and to condemn people. You know, whether we like it or not, we live in a world wherein we poison others by criticism. We live in a world wherein we destroy each other by personal attacks and personal assassination. And even Jesus during his time was not exempted of it. In today's gospel, he did an exorcism, but he was accused of being possessed by the devil. Can you imagine? You are doing do good, but people are attributing your goodness in a wrong source. And they said, he has Beelzebul, and by the ruler of the demon, he cast out demons. My dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters, listen to this. No matter what we do, good or bad, other people have always something negative to say. But don't forget these three important points. Number one, do not be discouraged. Be good, even if others are not. Be kind, even if others will not. Do not be discouraged by the criticisms and rejection of others if you're doing what is good. Never stop doing good works, and may we abound in good works, because that is who we are. We are good, and God created us good. Second, always recognize the good in others. Even if people hate you, recognize the good in others. Appreciate people who are doing good in your family and community. Follow their example and avoid destroying their good works. I challenge myself and you, my dear friends, appreciate someone today. As what I've told you, be good, even if others are not. Let us fill our world with goodness and kindness. And finally, we are reminded by the gospel for today that those who blaspheme God will never be forgiven. Those who mock God will never be forgiven. Jesus is here to destroy the works of the devil. And we are reminded today, and this is where I'm going to end my reflection, Jesus is more powerful than any evil spirits combined together, because God has supreme authority over the devil. My dear friends, never be afraid of the devil, because our God is in control. If you love and like this reflection, kindly share it with your friends, share it with your family, make the Word of God viral so that many will be blessed.